Can I speak in Bengali?
You want to speak in Bengali? Okay,
Little bit.
wait for some time. First, let me finish this one. Then I will let's discuss. Okay.
Okay, then I am asking in English and I am telling that this return promise is going to the message queue and the set timeout is also going to the message queue, right?
Timeout means not. Set timeout is method is going to the call stack. In the set timeout, bar is another method. Bar is going to the message queue.
Yes. Or bar is going to the message queue because of that set time, right? Okay. And the new promise, this is also going to the message queue, right? Okay. So which one will come first to the call stack from the message queue? It is depending on what? Because right now, suppose both are on message queue.
Right now, both are message queue. So see here, if you are using await method, that times you are need this thing first.
Oh, if I am using await, that's mean it is more priority that has more priority than the timeout, right?
You are setting the custom priority. I'm awaiting means I need to wait for some time. Like you need to resolve that. Up to resolve, you need to wait. So when that resolve is what happened, then you will move to the next step. That
Okay, so if I'm giving await, that's mean it is priority. It has more priority than that set timeout, right? Okay. Suppose there are two await. Okay, so then which one will come first?
Depends on the line, means what await is come first, it will come first. Depends on the line.
Whatever is written first. Whatever is written first.
What you need, that you need to run right first, right? Like that way.
Okay,
so
okay.
Come first, then bar.
SSS come first, then bar.
Okay, okay. And it is happening for the set timeout also, right? Like I have two second set timeout.
Yeah,
two functions I have.
Obviously, if you are giving 2 seconds, that means after 2 seconds it will run. That means what? So what things you need to run after 2 seconds, that is not present in that call stack. It is present on the message queue.
Message queue, yes.
It got completed, the timer has started, right? When the timer has reached to the 2 seconds, then it will pick from the message queue and it will come to the call stack and it will run.
No, yeah, that I understood. I'm telling like I have like two timeout function. Like one is 2 seconds and another also I have that is also 2 seconds. And which one will come first to the call stack from message?
Depends on the kind of random. Like there also some execution time is there. So what it will get first means like here you are writing like set timeout 2 seconds, okay, and another you are writing set timeout 2 seconds. So that means what? You are pushing this thing first in the message queue, so it will come first.
Yes.
Like that way.
Okay. And suppose two timeout I have 2 seconds, 2 second timeout I have. Suppose the first one is taking more time to execute or some complicated calculation is there which will take more time. So the second one will come first, like that.
Depends on the process execution time. Yeah, depends on the execution time. Like here you are running on the console log and here you are doing any mathematical calculation. So obviously it will take some time because execution time will be added with that.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so what I'm saying like we don't have to wait for functions like set timeout, fetch or other things to do their own work. Okay, because they have provided by the browser and they live on their own threads. For example, have like if you set the set timeout is 2 seconds, you don't have to 2 seconds. That wait happens as well. এটা মানে আমি বুঝলাম না। I don't know, someone right I got. I thought it will be like help you, but I think not beating both these ones. But still, like everything I already shared, like how that call stack is working, how that things are working. Next day I will move to event emitter, how we will fire those events, how we will emit those events. Depends on the emit how we will do. Like example, socket IO, you guys know, means you guys heard about that socket IO.
Yeah, yes. You said once in office. That time I heard about that.
Working like as an example, I'm giving one example from Facebook.
Chat.
Okay, yeah, chat is one example. Like when you are clicking on the send button, so obviously one API got fired, right? because that Facebook also store your message in the database. So when that API got fired, that time one event also fired. Okay, that event actually present on your like front end stuff or anywhere. So that event actually got your that event. Yeah, that guy has sent some message. Then again, it will fetch the all that message from the database and it will show to you. And another like good example is kind of you can say delivery status for any e-commerce platform. Okay, like you are changing the status, like now it is shipping, the status is shipping, like shipped. Now you want to change the ship to deliver. So when you are changing, that time one event got fired because that update got happened. Okay, so for that, with that event you will get notified, you will get one notification without any reload or without anything. You will get one notification, your product got dispatched or your product got delivered. So this is kind of one event emitter. Like someone fired that event, like deliver, and you will get that notification. Okay. So that notification thing is also kind of event emitter. So this is one kind of example I'm giving. So next day we will go to the event emitter, how we will emit that event. Okay. So that deliver is a custom event because the delivered, like for Flipkart also delivered is happened. Okay, for Myntra also. So they are also creating their own kind of custom name for deliver. So we can also create our own custom event name and we can fire that event and we can also receive that event. Okay, so next day we will go, but already I have shared, like in the next day first we will go for the dedicated session for MongoDB. We will clear all the doubts, we will complete the MongoDB. Then after the next day we will continue with the node. Okay, and maybe that small amount things are left from node, because when we are building an API and when we are building all those steps, every time we will take any framework, we are not directly work with node, that core node.js stuff. We are maximum Express we are using. So very soon we will move to Express part and we will start to building the APIs. Okay, then everything will get clear every time. It's very soon.
Yes.
Yeah, say Suman.
Can you please send me the video link of first day of Node, not MongoDB?
Everything is there. Like you just check that Facebook Messenger group. Like before yesterday, I have shared.
Lots of messages are there. Lots of messages there. Can you please send me the link?
Go to that YouTube channel and in playlist section you find the playlist MongoDB A to Z.
YouTube channel.
And from there you can get all the videos.
Those are public still,
I shall
brother.
send you the link, Suman.
Right now, all the videos, look what happened on YouTube. If you private those videos, only you can see. If you unlisted those videos, you can see when you are sharing the link. But if you are editing playlist, if the playlist is public, then you can get all the videos. So
All
right
the
now
videos
it
are
will
public.
happen. It is unlisted, but it is still all the videos in playlist, so anyone can see the videos.
Say it anyhow.
Okay, I will talk with Ghosh,
But if you do one thing, like if you share all those videos in Google Drive, then it will be better. It is not,
like
no
in
one can
YouTube
find the
channel, I
videos.
can see a video like Gach Songini. After that video, that is the